We've covered all sorts of strange sounds on our program, from the deep woods to the deep ocean. But the mysterious audio in our next story was recorded right in someone's suburban backyard. It's got an entire neighborhood stumped and scared. April 11th, 2023, in the suburbs of Charlotte, North Carolina. It's a sleepy night in a sleepy part of town. One resident is relaxing in his living room until his Ring doorbell camera records something terrifying. A loud groan echoes through the yard, followed by some more rhythmic pulses. It can be heard through the entire neighborhood, and then it mysteriously disappears. Take another listen.
A local network news affiliate station checked in with all the local power plants, the nearby nuclear plant, town and county construction. There was simply nothing going on that night that would explain any of this.
North Carolina does indeed have a history of strange, thunderous sounds, including a phenomenon known as the Seneca guns, which some say rumble up and down the East Coast. One of the creepier theories surrounding mysterious sounds like the Seneca guns suggests they could be the ghostly echoes of ancient indigenous warriors forever trapped in the land due to historical injustices. Are these unsettling roars the cries of haunted souls with unfinished business, or is there a more earthly explanation? Let's check with our experts. Can this sound be classified as an example of the Seneca guns phenomenon?
The sound in Charlotte has a much more tonal and noisy quality to it. It does not give the indication of a firearm kind of sound, which is characteristic of the Seneca sounds. They do not appear to be attributable to the same type of sound source.
And while many believe the Seneca guns are coming from somewhere on Earth, some suggest this Charlotte noise may be coming from somewhere above it.
I'm pretty convinced that what we're hearing is a type of meteor known as a bolide or a fireball. These are very loud meteors. I did notice at least one or two very obvious loud meteors that occurred on the same day or the day before or day after. So perhaps you're hearing pieces from some larger object burning up in the atmosphere.
But when we put this theory to the test,
the meteor recordings, because of the speed of the object and how fast it breaks up in the atmosphere, gives a very brief, crackly type of quality. So the meteor recordings do not seem to have the same characteristics that we observe in the Charlotte recording.
The noise sure sounds like something industrial. But remember, the local utilities and construction projects denied they were responsible.
While the sound is very intriguing, trying to compare it to any known potential sound sources was not fruitful. We could not find anything that really was a reasonable match that might explain this sound in Charlotte.
Our verdict? We are going to have to go with unexplained. Just like the residents and officials in Charlotte, we have no clue what made this sound. It doesn't seem to match anything that we know of in the sky or on the ground. So if you know anything, please drop us a line.